Hello, everyone. So today our video is all about how to use Podio in IGV and how to use Podio for making your sales easier. So first of all, if you're not yet on Podio and if you're not yet aware of the platform, please approach your LCVP and ask about, first of all, training and also about being added to Podio. In this platform, we are having under ISEC Global our amazing workspace, which is called New IGV CRM. Don't take a look on all the rest. You will not have so many. And that one is simple and clear. And today we will get to know it better. So in our main page, you can see the list of activities that are happening. And on the right, some toolbars with things that can be helpful for you. First of all, it's important links, which is our search tool, and summer peak booklet, which we use for IR mostly. Then partnership management flow, which explains the logic of whole partnership management that we are having in IGV. And some other things like sales education, which is mostly for VPs and PMs, tasks, and calendar. This is just a screen for you to see what's happening and what are the important things. But this is not the place, the main page is not the place where you are actually making work happen. So here we are having several applications: search book, organizations, opportunity summer, opportunity winter peak, and call to action. The last two are not important for us so far. Opportunities winter peak is just history of opportunities of winter 17-18, and call to action is mostly about B2B activities that we are starting to run. As sales members of IGV, you are mostly working with the application organizations. So here we are having the CRM, the customer relationship management tool of whole IGV in ISEC in Greece. As you can see, we have 4,462 organizations, and it's divided by local committees, by the kind of organizations, etc. So here you have all the accounts. You can also add account if you made a research and you found something new. So you just click add account and fill all these positions. Yes, but also Podio is an amazing tool which can help you analyze and also open and see different analytics. So for example, if you are from LC UniP, you can find the accounts only of LC UniP by clicking to this page, and now you see everything what is under your LC. Also, you can categorize by the category of the organization, whether it's kindergarten, GDAP, private high school, etc., etc. Majority of our partners now are from kindergartens, NGOs, and GDAPs. So yes, for example, kindergartens, and you see the kindergartens under different LCs. Yes, also by clicking here on filters, you can delete all the filters that were added and have back all 4,400 organizations. So now by opening any of our account, what you are seeing: organization name, local committee, which is all the local committees that we are having, account manager, which you can add and remove. Please, this should be done only by VP and PM. So as you see, there would be your VP, PM, and members. Then the category of this organization, please always put the category. If it's an NGO, also put a category of NGO. What kind of category is this? Then we have a position of alignment with ISEC. What does it mean? It shows how much by the web page, by the research that you did, by the call that you did, maybe you see that the organization is aligned with what ISEC believes in and our vision and mission. So for example, if the organization is working for young people or for leadership development or for SDGs or community development, that means the alignment with ISEC. If you don't know anything about the organization and your research didn't bring you much to say about it, just don't click anything. Then the information about the contact person, which is person, position, phone number, email, webpage link, location of this organization. And here we finish the information about partner. After this, we start information about partnership management. And this is crucial for whoever is the account manager of organization to feel it ongoingly. So we start first with prospect status. If it's a new partner, call date and visit date will be new organization. Call date and visit date will be empty, obviously, and then the status will be to be contacted. Once you are starting contacting, you will start clicking call if the call was done, and then to write a date of call. So it will remind you also when the follow-up should be done. After a call, we do email before visit, and then hopefully during the call or after the second call, you will have visit booked. So after the visit booked, you are putting the date of visit in the page here, and then it's visit done after you finish the visit, follow up for whatever needs to be done after the visit, whatever second visit or calls or emails, everything is a part of follow up. And then once the organization answer you, it means the final answer received. And after you click the final answer received, you're moving to partnership status. So if it was a new organization, it didn't have any partnership status so far. And when you receive the final answer, you can put it as a new partner, second time partner, traditional partner, rejected to be contacted next week and to be contacted next year. If it was a new partner, of course, you will have a new partner. If it was the organization that you had already partnership with and now you re-raise, it will be the second time partner. Everyone who is more than 2 times partner, the third and more, is called traditional partner. Which means that once you received final answer, you click 1, 2, or 3. If the final answer is rejection, it is very crucial to check what is the reason of rejection. Whether it's rejected because they are absolutely not interested, or for example, they don't have money or any other issue that means that you can contact them next week, or maybe they were having like the issue that they told, no, this year we are not able, it means to be contacted next year. We are trying to put rejected only in case that it's really the organization that doesn't want to work with us, then it becomes rejected. Then we are having comments, like important comments about the organization, files, and tasks. Task is something a very nice point of Podio. Here you can use it to remind you what you need to do. So for example, you can put a task to yourself. I can put a task to myself or to whoever else, for example, to one of VPs or PM or again, myself. And the task is, for example, make a follow-up. Follow-up, I put a deadline. Deadline, for example, is this Friday. I can put even hour if needed to write any kind of comment. And then it's create a task. And then there is a task. So later on, it will remind me when it will be like the deadline, it will be color red. And then I need to click done once I have done this task. So it's an amazing option. Later on, your tasks will be visible in here. You click tasks and you have everything like overdue, those which I'm late at, and later the ones that should be done later. Also, you can see my delegated tasks, my completed tasks, and all completed. Great, let's go back to the organizations. So with organization, the main thing that we are doing is once we are making the contact, we are writing here comment that call was done, and here is the output. Remember that output of everything is very important, first of all, for the people who are next going to contact this organization, and also for you to remember once you are doing follow-up. Good, we are done with organizations. Once we are having the final answer, and let's say the final answer is yes, they want to work with us, beautiful, it's time to open the opportunity. If you are PM or the member responsible for opening opportunity, you are just going to the application opportunity summer 2018. You click add opportunity, and now you fill all the basic info. Opportunity link, which is experience isaac.org/ and then number, then a project, whatever project it is, your LC, number of openings, is it one position for one EP, 2 EPs or more, month of realizations. In case it is more than later than July, like August, September, or whatever, you just click July, as July is the last one for us, and then you write in date of realization the real date. Comments, partner, in here you're selecting, okay, here I should write something. In partner, you need to select one of the organizations, so you just write your name. For example, I know that there is organization starting with this letter. This letter. Oh, there is no organization with this letter. Yes, whatever organization it is. And then it will be connected. Oh, you see that this is organization. You can directly click in this organization and go to the page of organization. Then whether it's paid or first payment done or everything is done, and you click it with status draft. And then you save opportunity. I cannot do it right now because I don't have information. You save the opportunity, and opportunity is done. For example, Anastasia did exactly this flow. Automatically, it created a task for me to open the opportunity, which means that I click in the opportunity and I click as MCVP open, and then I change the status to open. The process is very simple. It takes not more than 1 minute, I guess. And this is all we need to know about the organizations and opportunities and tasks that you are using in your everyday life. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other question, you have VPs to approach. And have good luck with managing Podio.